All right, peoples. We're the Grease Monkey here. It's Wednesday, so you know we got Burnout Wednesday. So we also got, you know, some fellow guests here with us today. We got AMD. We got Eddy from AMD. We got Big Rob, our AMD family. You know, they partner with us on a lot of bills. Y'all need any type of sheet metal parts, anything, really for any classic car, go on their website, amd.com, Auto Metal Direct, and pretty well sure they'll have what y'all looking for. But, you know, we're going to get into it. So today, what we're going to do a burnout in is this 66 Chevelle Convertible, of course. So it's actually got a 502 Big Block in it. And y'all going to see it in an upcoming video because we partnered with Aces EFI on it. And we got a full fuel injection system coming in for it. And we're going to get rid of that HEI distributor. We're going to redo everything. Whole new fuel system, everything, ignition. But y'all gonna see that. Y'all gonna see that soon. But like I said, we really just got this car, really like 3 weeks ago. We put the forges on it, and just so happened these jokers fit perfect. We ain't had to do nothing to them. We put 22s on there, and hey, they did good. So, you know, y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. We actually shooting this intro after we already did the burnout. So that's why I look a little dusty. But y'all gonna see the goodness in what we just did. So yeah, y'all continue to watch our videos, engage, shoot us some comments, shoot us some likes, tell us what y'all want to see next. And shoot, yes sir. So y'all tune into this video and shoot, tell us what you think.
What? Big Block did it, boy. That one goes. The Big Block, man.
Hey, it started
all the way
how
up.
long it was.
I was like, run out of concrete, run out of concrete. He's still going. It's like, it's concrete right there. All right.
You normally don't have no car right here, though.
Normally be open right here.
It be way open. And so it's kind of scary. I can see where it can be scary right here.
Shit, you get
That was
close.
super scary, man. Turn the corner. And there's a four-wheeler
It be
and
scary,
a
man.
drop-off.
Yeah, we don't want to hurt Eddy, man.
I was about to try it, but you know.
Man,
Better safe than sorry, especially the car that we just got. So you don't want to do too much. You don't want to,
you know. It works. The Big Block works. Yeah, that thing's nice. Dude.
And what's crazy is that's our first time driving it with those wheels on. We put the wheels on it and put it back in the shop.
You broke the tires in.
Yeah.